Good morning, student. Today we discuss HTML chapter number 3. I think you have understand this chapter very well, but I will explain briefly all the topic. Today I will try to discuss some topic here. So we start with HTML. What is HTML? A full form of HTML is hypertext markup language, and within its full form we can see it the hypertext. Hypertext means the method by which you can move around the web by clicking a special text called hyperlink, which bring you to the next page. Okay, when what is the hypertext? Hypertext are the group of text or special kind of text which are hyperlink. Okay, they are linked with other text. Okay, other page or other images or anything means like that only. They are called hypertext. Okay, and markup. Markup means here how to what we call design the text. Okay, how to render the text. Okay, how to we change or how we control the text here means how to change. Suppose in word in MS Word you can see that we can bold a word, okay, or underline a word, or italic, make it italic, or change its font also, Arial, or some other kind of type of style of font we can change. So all these things we can do here also in by the help of markup. So this thing is known as markup. This technique is known as markup. So it become hypertext markup language. Okay. Now if we conclude all this thing that HTML is a language as which is consist of code and words and syntax. Okay, and who found this HTML language or who developed this? So uh, there is written the name of that person, Sir Timothy John and Tim Berners-Lee of the England. Okay, they uh, he uh, he developed this language. Now how it's work means how HTML works. First of all, we have to write the HTML with the help of tags. And what are tags? It is a group of small text. Okay, small length of text. And when we write that HTML document, we have to, first of all we have to save it. Okay, we have to save with HTML extension. Okay, and then we have to run that one in the web browser. Then it will show, in web browser it show that how will what we worked with the HTML page. Now how to create an HTML document or code. So first of all, here we have to write the HTML code, and then we have to again the same thing here. It is written that we have to write the HTML code. It is consist of this series of instruction given in HTML and to render the text, image, hyperlink, etc. in the browser. The same thing is written here. Then how to create it. Okay, it is same and how it is work. Okay. Now HTML tag. Okay, HTML tag is very important to know. We have to know it. HTML tag is basically a group of words which include between the angle bracket. Okay, it is enclosed between the angle bracket, and which this HTML tag tell the browser how to modify or how to uh, design that page. Okay, how to show that page, this HTML tag, and whatever we write inside that tag means in that angular bracket. Like suppose I have had it written here angular bracket and b. So this b is known as element. Okay, this b is known as element. So I hope you understand what are the tag. Tag is a group of word which enclosed between angle brackets, okay, and we tell the browser how to design that page or render that page or change that page, okay. Now, what are the rules for coding the HTML, okay? What are the rules for coding the HTML? Every HTML tag should be surrounded by angle bracket like this. Means whenever we write an HTML tag, then we have to write this thing in bracket only. Then HTML, uh, then whatever means the word and the letters between the angular bracket is known as element, and these are the code command within the HTML. These are the coded commands in the means it give the command to the HTML means what you call browser to render the things. Elements tell the browser to display the web page. For example, HR in angular bracket if write HR, then it display a horizontal row, and if we write BR, then it skip a line like this. And HTML is not a case sensitive. That means if we write the HTML in lowercase or uppercase, there is no any problem, okay. But we have to write in same, means we have to write in HTML in uppercase only. We cannot use upper and lower both. And here also in this case in HTML what you call in lowercase also, but I will not try that if we use upper and lowercase it will work or not. You can check by yourself, but in my view we cannot go with that. If we go with lowercase, then we use lowercase. If we go with uppercase, then we go with uppercase in what you call in what you call under the means under the angular bracket, in the angular bracket. Now, what are the container and the empty tag? It is very important to know what are the container tag, what are the empty tag. So first of all, container tag. The container tag wraps around the words or graphics and comes in a set with an opening and closing tag, okay. Container tag, as usual, tag have the group of special words. They have the container tag, but container tag have come in the group in pair. They start with opening tag and they ends with closing tag. You can see here when we are writing HTML, we have to start with HTML like this opening tag, and we have to close it by this closing tag. We have to, when we are ending, we have to close it like this. Now this slash, the forward slash on the closing tag tell the browser that tag has end. Okay, that tag has end. Now empty tag. Empty tag is that who doesn't empty tag not wrapped around and therefore not required to close. Means that we are not this empty tag doesn't uh, required to wrap around the word, okay, and it doesn't contain any closing tag. Only it has only one group, okay. It has only single. It doesn't have any pair. Suppose if we write BR means break, then it doesn't need any pair, means it doesn't wrapped on the text, okay. But this container tag is wrapped on the text, okay. It will be wrapped on